In this Elementor WordPress tutorial video, I'll show how to add background overlay in Elementor so that the text are clear to see. Okay, over here you see that this there is a white text, and behind this there is a kind of white background. So the white text over it is kind of difficult to see. Some parts like over here where there's white, it's difficult to see. To solve this issue, we can simply add a background overlay to this background over here so that the background becomes a bit darker and this white text pops out, and it will look not only it will look it will be easier to read it, it will also look a bit much better. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this section container or section, which of whatever version of Elementor you are using, and then go to, you click on this container, and on this you go to style, and you scroll down, and then you see option over here, background overlay. You click on this option, then you choose this color for the background overlay. I click on this, and I'm going to choose a black color. Okay, over here the black color code for black is 000, and you see this is how it looks. So you see that this is how it will look. If you want it to, you can increase or decrease the opacity. If you increase the opacity all the way to 1, it will turn completely black. If you decrease it, you can create it to 0.5, or maybe make it a slightly darker so that the text over here is just easy to read. Okay, and furthermore, you can click on this text over here, and you can also add a text shadow over here, text shadow, so that it is even more pops out from the container, from the background. Okay, so this is how it looks now. Okay, so this is how easily you can add background overlay in Elementor and make the text over the background pop out like this one over here. So I hope that you found this video useful. If you did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.